Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. When in quarantine, I want more building projects. So I was just sitting here on my front porch looking at this wooden tray that I got for my wedding 7 years ago. I just washed it off. And this ugly table. And thinking, man, I'd like to just drill 4 holes and put 4 screws in there and just make this beautiful tray a part of this table. Let's do it. I mean, why not, right? This tray is so beautiful, I don't use it nearly enough. This table is so ugly and so useful. Why not bring it together and just drill it together so that my kids can't knock it over and make a mess and just turn it into a thing. Let's turn it into a thing. Let's do it. Why not? Okay, so I'm going to peel these little rubber circles off of the corners. Got them on all 4 corners. I'm going to peel them off. It's like a sticker. It's easy to take off. Okay, so for the most part, I got all 4 of them off. It took a little bit of work. Next up, you'll want to find 4 screws that will go through both surfaces without going all the way through the outside. Next, you'll want to find which one of your drill bits is the right size to be the width of your screw, but not wider. Now, I'm new to drilling, but what I have discovered is that if you make your hole too wide, later when you put the screw in, it's just going to be a loose fit. The screw's not going to do its job of keeping it together. So you actually want to drill the hole slightly smaller than the screw itself. Now I'm going to center the tray and make sure it's exactly how I want it. And I'm going to drill holes in the 4 corners of my tray. Let's go. I changed my mind with a better idea. I'm gonna do 1 hole and then put the screw in, and then the next one, the next one, the next one. That way, if it shifts when I'm drilling, it's not gonna be a problem. So I love, love, love that when I put it like this, it doesn't go all the way down. That means I picked the right size of a bit. So now I'm gonna drill it in. Next, you need to find which head you want. I need an X, like that one right there, I think. Now I'm lifting up on the tray to make sure it's a firm fit, and it is. I'm so happy. Double check one last time that this line is parallel with the end of the table. I had to adjust mine ever so slightly. Now I'm going to drill a hole right here. Good, let's test it with the screw. Perfect. Alright, time to screw it in. Checking if it's tightly connected. Great. Before you continue, make sure everything is exactly where it is, because this is the point of no return. You don't want to have to remove all 4 screws to get it right back in place. Since I've got 2 in, I like how it's placed. I'm going to continue with the other 2 and we'll be done. All right, looking good. 3 down, 1 to go. And just like that, an ugly table that was useful and a pretty tray I never used came together to make a beautiful table I'm going to use all the time. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY and have a lovely day.